Welcome to the new video. In this video, I'll show you how to use live screen monitoring software and what it is to train and to support new employees without disturbing them or taking control of their PCs. So, if you're a business owner and you often hire new staff, interns, or junior employees, this video is for you. Maybe you know the situation. A new employee is sitting at their desk or working from home. They are unsure about the process, and you, as a manager or trainer or business owner, can't stand next to them all the time. Screen sharing calls are often too heavy and time consuming, and classic remote control tools can interrupt the user because you take over the mouse and keyboard and everything. So, what you really want is a way to simply watch their live screen in real time, so to speak, see where they get stuck and then give them feedback or help without constantly asking them to start a call or share their screen. So in this video, I'll show you how live screen monitoring can be used as a training and support tool for you and for new employees. I'll show you how you can quietly watch a new employee's screen while they work through real tasks, see where they click, which steps they take, and where they get confused. Give them targeted feedback afterwards or send short instructions and jump in only when it's really needed instead of sitting next to them all day. You can use this approach for onboarding new staff, for training people on internal software, for supporting remote employees, and for quality control customer service or back office work. Yeah, the idea is not to control every second, but to have a real visibility when you need it so you can help people get better and faster in their jobs. Of course, always make sure to follow the laws in your country for your specific use case and your internal company policies, and to inform your employees if it should be necessarily. So please take legal advice. New employees should know what kind of monitoring is in place and why it is used. This video is a technical demonstration only, not legal advice. So please take legal advice before installing a tool like Wolfeye Remote Screen. So Wolfeye Remote Screen works like this basically. It's a small piece of software that you have to install on each of the computer you want to monitor. And basically what will happen is you will get access to a dashboard where you will see all the computer live screens in real time of the computers you have installed the software. And it works like this. This is the dashboard that you will get. This is the demo dashboard. And okay, I'm already logged in. Anyways, normally you have to log in with your password. And on that dashboard for each of the computer you have installed the software, you will see the live computer screen. So in this case, if you had 5 new staff in your company, you have the possibility here to always take a look at their live computer screens. So again, what you see here are dummy pictures because you are seeing the demo dashboard here, but in reality, you really will see the live screen. And live screen means that it's a screenshot updated every 3 seconds for this computer, here, this computer, and a screenshot updated every three seconds. That's how you will always see in real time the live screen of that particular computer, so to speak. And you could always open for each of them, open in a new tab on this live link. You open it and see the whole screen on one browser window. So you see exactly what the person is doing. Again, this is only a dummy picture because it's the demo dashboard, but in reality, you see the live computer screen of that particular computer. Yeah, this is how Wolfeye works. The installation is very, very easy. So I can demonstrate it to you here in a second. Let me see. It's already installed on my computer. I don't know because I just installed it. This is the installation path. No, it has not been installed. So installation, you go to download the software. And this is the downloaded file, the setup file. You double click it. It opens the installation wizard and you just hit the install button on the computer and then the finish button. And that moment, Wolfeye is already installed and the control window appears. From now on, you only hit 2 buttons, the share screen button, that's green, and then the stealth mode button that's blue. You hit it, it goes into stealth mode, and from now on it's sharing the screen for that particular computer and will restart in the background every time the Windows computer is restarted. So that's how it works. Again, here's the installation path on C users public documents, and the software creates a folder called W, and this kernel W is the application. Yeah. So this is how it works. If you wanted to install it in your computer, come to our website wolfeye.co, and hit this 14 days free trial button and schedule a Google Meet session. In that Google Meet session, Wolfeye will be installed on my computer, and I will give you access to my dashboard, so you will see my live screen on. And also, I will give you the download link for Wolfeye, and can or will, just as you like, guide you. During a Google Meet session, I will guide you to install the software in case you wanted it or you needed it. Or I could install it for you if you wanted using AnyDesk software. Use this calendar, select your time zone, because we will probably be in different time zones. I'm in Germany, the day and the time you prefer, and I will be happy to get to know you. See you in the next video.